Yep. Or, yeah, we're good.
Okay. Well, so this is the situation. We've got a 4 foot 6 inch drop, and we're tired of jumping up that distance to get into the main shop. And this is their stable. It's got a 12-foot wide alley, and they'd like to be able to bring equipment in here to clean stalls, manure spreader, skid steer, something of that nature. So if we build a landing and then a set of stairs, even if the landing comes out, say 3 foot, and then we build a set of stairs down that way, it's still going to take up too much of this alley. So I came up with a solution, and that is to build a set of stairs that hinges up and out of the way. And the biggest holdup here after I came up with the idea was what hardware to use. Because normal door hinges I just didn't see them working so well with my stair design. So, of course, I ended up basically cobbling up some hardware. And this is going to be one of our hinges. It's made out of gate hinges. So I do believe it will work. And I went ahead and cut the stair stringers, so we are almost ready to put this together. And the reason I cut the stair stringers like this, and I routed out for the treads, it was originally to give myself a hinge point. And then my design changed a little bit, but I still like this design, so I'm going to go with it. And if I get everything just right, these stairs will fold up right inside the doorway. It's kind of an unusual situation, and I've never built a set of stairs this way. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think you can cut.
Paso Bridge, and I've been to this border crossing area, and they just so they don't want you to know. By the way, you are noticing there's a move to the center. There's a move to the center on a whole range of issues from the Democrats now. It's not a big move, but it's the beginning of it. Because their policies have put them in a position now where they will, if we have a solid Republican candidate and Republican Party overall going to 2024, the Democrats are facing a real
What in the world is the matter with this thing?
At the ballot box.
It is not.
We're going to have the right person, we're going to have the right messaging. This is why they're moving to the middle, though, because of the failures of left-wing policies they have pursued, including at the southern border, which I had mentioned to you, and we are going to spend some time talking about.
Do you know how to time-lapse it? You should be able to just from your video editor.
Well, yeah.
It's built in with the iPhone.
I know, but I think there's a way to do a time lapse where it doesn't use as much battery power.
Oh, I think there is a way, but you need to be in. Are you in the Osmo app?
Yes, you have to be in the Osmo app to use the Osmo.
So there's no way just to have the Osmo point at something and.
Yeah, there is, but I can't do it here. What do you mean, point at something?
Like just have it point at something and stay there even if the Osmo isn't connected. Because we don't need to move it, we just need the tripod.
It's better just to use it'll stay, I think, if you don't tell it to move. If you set it so that it's following me.
Well, no, what I want... I could set it to follow you, or I could just have it point at the door or at the stairs.
Yeah, and that's fine. That's the way it's set right now.
Okay.
It won't automatically.
All right.
There it is. First ever set of hinged stairs. I think that turned out rather nice. And then we will put a clink down here so you can tie it off. And we have the whole alley available. Okay, I gotta redo that.
Yeah, you pulled a.
That's the first time that's happened. It's actually a very comfortable set of stairs. It's a little on the steep side. Okay. Now, I would like to put a handrail on this set of stairs. And one way that I could do it is just make a removable handrail. That would be easy. That would be the easy way. We don't do things the easy way.